Hi, today I want to show you how you can collect data from your test systems and view it in SystemLink. One of the many ways that we do this is through something we call SystemLink tags. These are individual data points that get published from your test systems and then can be viewed in SystemLink. Let me start by showing you a simple LabVIEW application that publishes tags to SystemLink. So in this application, I'm opening a simple connection to SystemLink here, which uses my local SystemLink client authentication. And then I'm simply publishing point data for an inside temperature and outside temperature to SystemLink through this API. SystemLink has a rich set of features in the LabVIEW palettes to publish tags, to publish files, messages, do things with our test monitor system, and other utilities. So I go ahead and run this VI, and then we'll go back to SystemLink. You can see I'm now publishing data. And if I go back to my SystemLink web application and go to this test and log station 1, I can go to my alarms and tags, scroll down to the bottom, get this out of the way. And here at the bottom, you'll see these new tags that I'm creating, this inside temperature and outside temperature. And you can see these are live updating based on that data that's coming from LabVIEW. Another way that you can publish tags to SystemLink is using FlexLogger. Let me show you how that works real quick. Let's go back to the same system. We'll stop this LabVIEW VI and open up FlexLogger. Here I have FlexLogger connected to a compact DAC chassis on my desk upstairs, and it's actually monitoring real temperature this time. So you can see I'm getting my real Celsius and Fahrenheit temperature from that module, and I've configured this to connect to SystemLink and automatically push tags to SystemLink and keep them around for 30 days so that I can see the history. So if I go back to SystemLink now, I can see here, if I scroll up, here's those same two tags. You can see the actual current data being updated. It updates about once every couple seconds in this case, but you can see the live data. I can also see from FlexLogger, when it finishes a logging session, it will upload a TDMS file to this system. So let's go look at one of those. Here I see some log files from a few days ago, and if I open up one of these, I can see the data right here in SystemLink that's been logged. Here I have my file, and I can see the different log channels, and I can plot really quickly both of those temperature channels. Well, let's get rid of one of them since they're in different units. And here you can see the temperature trace over, a several minute trend that I took of the temperature a few days ago. In addition to seeing tags in these options, you can put them into custom dashboards. Let me show you what that looks like. Let's look again at the temperature on my desk. So here I have a dashboard that I've set up for my desk monitor, and I can click on this, and right away I can see a summary of the current status and the history of the temperature at my desk. So you can see here the ambient temperature in Fahrenheit, and then a history over the last week of what's been going on at my desk. You can see here we turn off the air conditioning over the weekends. You can also see here I've added some other pieces of information about my systems at my desk. These are easily editable in the web. I can change the configuration of this to look at different data, or even to add an additional piece of data to the chart. We'll just pick one of these random ones and hope it does well. And now I've added additional pieces of information. Thank you for watching.